new 4Runner, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the hood, which is already popped open, by the way. Handle right there. Prop rod right on this side. Pull it up, put it in whatever hole you want. 1, 2, and then pop up and out. These two guides right here, one there, one there. Those are in your way. Pull this guy up out of your way. Done. Here's your part number. Let's put it back. Just make sure the guides are in, out of your way. So there you go. Make sure you pop them in. See, you gotta pop them in and strap it in. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.